So, hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. So, today we are unboxing a very special piece of technology, the VSD Squadron Mini Microcontroller board. So, what is exciting about this little powerhouse? So, it's a Make in India product built on the cutting edge RISC V architecture. So, whether you are into IoT, robotics, or just love tinkering with new tech, so this board has something for you. So, let us check it out. This board is powered by the CH32V305 U6 chip, featuring the 32-bit RISC-V core based on the RV32 EC instruction set. So it's optimized for high performance computing with support for 2-level interrupt nesting and runs at a system main frequency of 24 MHz. So this core ensures efficient processing for a variety of applications, from simple to complex tasks. So, you will find three groups of GPIO ports, giving you a total of 15 I/O ports. These general purpose input-output ports are essential for connecting various peripherals like sensors, actuators, and displays. So they can also be mapped to external interrupts, allowing the board to respond quickly to external events. So, for memory, it has 2 KB of SRAM for volatile data storage, which is used for temporary data, while the microcontroller is running. So it has a 16 KB of code flash for your programs, which is non-volatile memory that retains the code even when the power is off. Additionally, there is 1920 bytes for bootloader functionality, so which helps in loading and starting up the firmware. So one of the greatest feature of the VSD Squadron Mini is its onboard CH32V305 U6 single. So this is that IC. So this is a single wire programming protocol, which that means you don't need any additional adapter to get started. It makes development efficient with seamless code deployment and debugging. So, this board supports multiple communication protocols, including UART, I2C, and SPI. So, UART is great for serial communication, I2C for connecting multiple peripherals with minimal wiring, and SPI for high-speed data transfer. So, this ensures versatile connectivity options for your projects. So, now let's talk about the importance of learning RISC-V architecture. RISC-V is an open source instruction set architecture that's gaining widespread adoption in the industry, so it's known for simplicity, flexibility, extensibility, making it an excellent choice for both educational and professional purposes. So by learning RISC-V, you are not only equipping yourself with knowledge of a modern and efficient architecture, but you are also joining a global community that's pushing the boundaries of innovation in computing. So beginners will find it easy to get started with the onboard Flash programmer that supports single wire programming. So whether you are a student learning embedded concepts or an engineer building innovative devices, the VSD Squadron Mini is an excellent choice to bring your ideas to life. And remember, this amazing piece of technology is a proud Make in India product. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more interesting updates. So in the upcoming video, we will be having a look on a very interesting application made out of this board.